Jeff, you're pretty good at sewing. I need you to make me a loincloth out of this. This is some really nice stuff. It looks like my dog. Or a skirt. We could do a skirt.
What are you guys trying to do?
I'm trying to get you to talk about how you're painting this bus and making it beautiful for Kyle. Talk to the camera.
For real?
Put on that Tom Cruise smile. Wipe off this glaze off your face.
Woo. So talk about what I'm doing here. So just prepping this bus up here for paint for Kyle. About to do some priming, and then after that we will scuff it up and shoot all the silver, clear it, and it's going to be a complete bus, back to brand new. Originally had some flaking paint on it from the last owners, and that's why we decided to just go ahead and redo the whole thing.
Don't mind my puddle of sweat on the floor either. It's kind of warm in here. Oh, we still got to do that one, Kyle.
Yeah.
And what about over there?
That's what I was waiting so I can pull it, slide it. Gonna pull it in a little bit.
Fuck.
Yeah, slide it in. Post Malone's shooting a music video for some sort of commercial in the studio bus.
Is that good?
That's good.
For that one, this one's good.
Yeah. Big time. There's gonna be Bud Light everywhere in this bus. Well, we just got a last minute call from Post Malone's camp that they are doing a film shoot here on Monday, and we need to do a wrap on this bus so it looks nice in the video. And it's 107 out right now, so it's a little warm in here. But AC's pumping. It's gonna be ready for Posty to be playing his little guitar, you know? He's gonna sit here, he's gonna look out the window supposedly. I don't know what they got planned, but yeah, this is the studio bus, and we're getting it all wrapped up and making sure everything's gonna work like it should for Monday morning.
Let's go around the other side. Welcome to our paint department. We installed these ducts up here and some additional inline fans, and then there's a high velocity fan with a filter box in this box right here. So it sucks out all the dust and whatever paint fumes and all that stuff. It just sucks it all up. And then behind you is a huge fan. So up above you can see the motor for the fan, and so and it's 240 volt motor, so it's super high velocity. These are the filters that kind of keep all the chunks out from blowing outside, but the whole system is set up to suck it all outside. Yeah, we can paint a whole bus basically start to finish. So we just pull in one side, do the rear and the side of the bus, and then we flip the bus around and pull it in, and then we could do the opposite side and the front of the bus, and it works out really good. We don't get overspray on the other buses in the next bay, and we don't even need a curtain for that because the evacuation system works so well. So it's kind of a new addition we have here in the shop. We got the structure for this whole thing and the main fan for it at auction. Me and Kyle went down and disassembled the one that they had there and reassembled it to fit a bus basically here. yeah, it came out really good, man. We're really happy with it. Been here, Brian?
9 months.
9 months? No.
Yeah, since last
been
May.
that long?
Yeah, since last May.
That's our other painter, Leo, wearing a fake mustache. So we're doing all these LEDs under here right now. We did all these ceiling lights, these strip lights in the ceiling, all around the valances and the windows. A lot of extra stuff, but just upgrading the old rope lights. We don't have any in here, but yeah, we're upgrading them with these newer style rope lights. So that's kind of the project of the moment. Precision soldering. Yeah, there's always the blues around here lately. Jeff has the blues deep down in his soul, so we have to suffer through it as well. Yeah, it could be worse.